After tenting on my last wheeling trip, I was anxious to try sleeping inside the Jeep, so when Xprite asked me to review their NitePad, I jumped at the chance. The NitePad is a cushion that fits the contours of a 4-door JK. The surface is a durable and non-itchy cloth. The bottom is synthetic leather and protects the pad from snags. The stitching seems like it won't tear. The pad is 1.5 inches thick and the foam can be removed for cleaning. Bungees are included to store the pad against the back of the seat. After folding down the rear seats and pushing the front seats forward, the mat installs in seconds. I'm 6'3", 230 pounds, and was surprised to see that I could lay down in the back of the Jeep. I had a few inches of head and foot room. This pad is comfy. There aren't any hard spots and it offers the right amount of support. I slept on it a few nights and never woke with a sore back. I had better sleep on the NitePad than I ever had on the ground in a tent. Note, there's a dip where the seat folds down, so stuff a jacket or clothes under it to level. My first concern with the pad was its size. Here's the typical load I take on a week-long trip. The pad is slightly larger than my tent and sleeping pad, so overall not much space is lost. It packs okay but is bulky. Second, if I'm sleeping in the Jeep, where does my gear go at night? They thought of that. A third of the pad zips away so you can keep your gear inside. And get this, I still fit. A bag would be nice to protect it from rips and mud between use. The NitePad is a great addition to my kit and I'm considering using it for my primary sleeping arrangement when camping. This was a BerserkerOffroad.com review. Subscribe for more videos.